Get off of it. Why are you on? Get off. All right. Hey, welcome to the vlog today. Today we're gonna be doing something very simple, and I've done a video we're gonna be doing something that we've already kind of done before. We're gonna do an oil change, but this time we're gonna do an oil change on the race car, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys how to do it. Simple, one of the easiest things we can do. So anyway, I'm gonna show you. All right, so first thing we want to do is we have oil catch can. So I usually just fill oil in over there. We can either do it over there or we can do it over there. It doesn't really matter much. Both work. But yeah, so I just literally pop it out of the grommet and then I pop the dipstick out a little bit. That way we have good airflow. Now we're using a Holley LS swap pan. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the oil from that drain plug right there. And then when we're done, we literally just need to go to the other side. They made it very easy on these ones. I find it easier to do an oil change on my race car than it is on my truck. But yeah, then right there, that's the oil filter. So get the oil filter off. And then from there, it's literally, keep on forgetting to do this. I need to get the block. Anyway, yeah, from there, it's just put the oil filter back on and then close up the drain plug and we can then fill it up with oil. It's super easy. Very simple maintenance. We just haven't done the new oil since it's been sitting for winter and it's time to put new oil in. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna kind of let you watch me thrash around the garage. All right, so we got the old oil drained, we got the old filter off, we got the new filter on, snugged up by hand. So we usually, what I like to do is I go about till it's touching and then get to turn about another half turn. If I can, I like to use an oil filter wrench, but I like to do certain ones. I'm a big fan of using these ones if I'm gonna do it, which is just like if it has like the notches on the outside, it locks on there nicely. But I don't know if they did an update or something on these filters, but the old one worked on here, but the new one did not. So then I did it by hand and then tightened it about a half turn after it engaged. Now, this is going to take about the same amount of oil as what like a standard 5.3 would take. So 5.3 usually takes around 5.7 liters. So now we're just going to fill in all the oil that we need, check for leaks, and then the next thing would be to fire it up. I don't know if we're going to fire it up today. It is getting kind of late, but we'll see. I have not done my first fire up yet, but I might do that tomorrow, which gives me more to do tomorrow. Because I also have to drain out the coolant from winter storage. So that might be a good day to do that part of this, and then use that first start to cycle through some new water. So, but yeah, so we're gonna fill up the oil. So that's all there is to it. It's not very hard. If you guys want to know what I use for the filter, we use the Wix XP 57060XP. So this is the extended performance, higher performance one that comes with the driven oil that we order. We usually just order the kits. And then the oil that we use is none other than driven racing oil. So this is the LS30. This is the stuff they recommend with the high performance LS stuff. So still just your standard 5W30, but this is the good stuff. So this is what we're using. So if you guys have, I'm like squatting awkwardly because I have the camera low. But if you guys have any questions or anything, let us know in the comments. But like always, stay fueled by faith. Peace.